Hello, today's book is called One Thing by Lauren Child. It's about Charlie and Lola. I have this little sister called Lola. She is small and very funny. Sometimes for a treat, Mum says, we're going to the shops and you may choose one thing. I say one thing each or one thing between two. And Mum says, each. I say to Lola, we are going to the shops and we are allowed to choose one thing. One thing to share, says Lola. I say one thing each, which means actually two things. Two things, says Lola. Two things between two, I say. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 for me and 1 for you. Mum says we must be ready in 10 minutes. It takes me 3 minutes to clean my teeth, 1 minute to remember that I've forgotten to eat my breakfast, 4 minutes to eat my puffer pops, 3 minutes to clean my teeth again, and 8 minutes to find Lola's left shoe. 3 and 1 and 4 and 3 and 8 equals 19. That makes us 9 minutes late. 19 take away 10 is 9 minutes late. Lola shouts, I just need to do something. I say, what thing? She says, one thing. I say, but we don't have time. She says, I will be half of a second. This is not true because after 2 whole minutes, which is in fact 120 seconds, I go into our room to find Lola. What are you doing? I say. Lola says, I'm trying to count the dots on my dress, but I'm not sure what comes after 12. I say, missing going to the shops comes after 12. Oh, says Lola, hurry up. I am running like mad and Lola is counting ladybirds on the path. She says there are at least 50 or 2017. How many shoes would 50 or 2017 ladybirds need, Charlie? I say, none. Ladybirds don't wear shoes. What about socks, says Lola. No, they never wear socks. They must be very ouchy, says Lola. When we walk past the water meadow, we are followed by several ducks. How many ducks are following us? Asks Lola. 3, I say. Lola finds half a biscuit in her coat pocket and starts feeding them crumbs. How many now? She says. I say 3 ducks, 7 pigeons, 5 wading birds, 4 swans, 2 geese and 1 flapping bird. 3 and 7 and 5 and 4 and 2 and 1 equals 22. Run, shouts Lola. Lola looks up at the sky. She says, look at all those singing birds. There are 1, 2, 5, 7, 20, 16, 11, 9 birds singing. I say, no, Lola, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what I said, she says. I said 9. I say, well, if you're so good at counting, then how many leaves are there on that tree? 100 at least, says Lola. Nearly at least. I say, there are more than 100, more than 1,000 even. How many is 1,000, says Lola. 10 hundreds make 1,000, I say. And is 1,000 the most, says Lola. I say, no. Then there's 1,000,000 and then 1,000 times more. And is 1,000,000 more than rain, says Lola. No, the rain is probably 1,000,000,000, I say. Or maybe 1,000,000,000,000. Or 1,000,000,000,000, says Lola. I say, I don't know if 1,000,000,000,000 is a number. It takes us another 156 steps to walk to the shops. When we get there, Mum says, you may choose one thing. And Lola says, 3 things? And Mum says, one thing. And Lola says, two things. And Mum says, how about no things? And Lola says, how about one thing? And Mum says, all right, one thing. And Lola says, yes, one thing. I spend 3 minutes looking at the comics, 2 minutes looking at the badges, and I make up my mind in 5 seconds. I choose 6 badges. Lola is still looking after 11 minutes. Mum says, hurry up, Lola, we are leaving in 1 minute. 2 minutes later, Lola chooses 12 stickers. On the way home, Lola sticks 5 stickers on the pavement, 3 on a tree, and 2 on her shoes. 1 on me. She even sticks 1 on Mary's dog. By the time we get to our flat, there are no stickers left. None. 12, take away 5, take away 3, take away 2, take away 1, take away 1, leaves none. We have been home for 4 minutes and Lola says, please can I have one of your badges, Charlie? And I say, okay, you can have 1. She says, maybe perhaps even 3. And I say 1. And she says 2. And I say, how about none? And she says, okay, yes, please, 1. There's the badge that he gives her. That's a nice story, isn't it? Enjoy counting. I'll see you soon. Bye.